I don't wanna hold you if you wanna go, and I'm not gonna make you feel love if you don't. I would rather learn what it feels like to burn than feel nothing.
Good morning, guys. So I'm actually doing my very first vlog today. I am on my way to the Little Grand Canyon here in Georgia. I didn't even know this existed. My little brother actually invited me to come with him on his field trip, so I was like, what a better opportunity to vlog than to do it now, since I'm going to be driving for a while.
What do I do to show you all the ways my heart is slowly shattering through? What do I say? What do I do? I don't wanna hold.
If I had $1 for every Sprite that I drink during the day, I would probably have like $15 a day. That's a lot of money during the week that I could use. So I need somebody to start giving me my dollars. I'm so hungry. I want some sushi. You know what I want really? It's just my own personal chef. I get so tired of like being tired of not cooking.
You have faded my reality like leaves that turn to dust. Fell asleep inside a fantasy, then woke up feeling lost. Now I'm terrified and restless, but I just cannot escape. I wish you had words to cool this fever that is killing me. What do I say? What do I do to show you all? I don't wanna hold you if you wanna go, and I'm not gonna make you feel love.
So we have made it, and I love this. It is so pretty. I'm going to show you guys more of it once I get out. I'm waiting on my little brother to get here. What's up, bro? What's up?
A little bit windy.
I'm his parental for the day.
Yes.
He invited me. I love him.
Love
He
her.
said he always wanted to be a YouTube star, so I'm putting you on YouTube. Guess, can you tell me how the canyon was formed? What did you learn in school?
Yeah, well, so this was formed by poor farming practices, and then this is how this region became Little Grand Canyon. There you go.
Yeah.
In Georgia.
You learn something new every day.
Yes.
I don't wanna hold you if you wanna go, and I'm not gonna make you feel love if you don't. I would rather learn what it feels like to burn than feel nothing at all. Yeah, I don't wanna hold you if you wanna go, I'm not gonna make you feel love if you don't. I would rather learn what it feels like to burn than feel nothing at all. I don't wanna hold you if you wanna go, and I'm not gonna make you feel love if you don't. I would rather learn what it feels like to burn than feel nothing at all.
So, I learned on this trip that this is one of the 7 natural wonders of Georgia. And I didn't even know that this was here, but I want to go see what the other 6 are so that I can say that I've been to all of them.
Another fun thing here. Alright, so this was used to be the coastal plains. It used to be an ocean from the coastal plains up to like Florida. And now since it's eroded and stuff like that, it's just canyon. Little
Yeah,
canyon.
that's cool. It's crazy. That used to be an ocean.
That's why you need to go to school, peeps.
Yeah, stay in school.
Never steal. And don't be bad.
School is for chumps. You don't need school kids.
Yeah, don't do what she said.
Hey, well, the fact people don't think that I am his sister. I don't know who they think I am. I think that they think that you paid me to be here.
Yeah, I pay her all the time.
$1,000 an hour.
Yep.
So how was your field trip?
It was perfect. Like, you couldn't have been a better. Like, couldn't been a better.
All your friends are gonna think you're so cool because you're on YouTube. You can tell them that
right.
you're the popular kid now.
Yeah, I am.
Haha. So guest is getting ready to leave.
Yeah, I couldn't pick a better
So-
person.
Yeah.
Bye, Lauren.
Goodbye. Love you. I'll see you this weekend, bro. So I had to come back to this spot because I literally think that this is so pretty. It's amazing. So pretty much today I've hiked like 6 miles. What have you done today? So this is actually a cave, and I'm going to take you guys inside of it. I think that this is so neat, and I had posted it on my Snapchat and everybody was like, oh my god, where are you at? So I think that this is a really cool thing to include in my vlog. Look at how cool this is. There's a little heart. How cool. I think that must be a sign. Spread some love. So I read this quote online that said, don't just exist, live. And you know, I really understand that quote because you have one life. If you're not out living it to the fullest and not doing everything that makes you happy, then what are you doing? Nature is that thing for me. Like, I love it when I'm sad, when I'm angry, when I want to be happier. Like, I go and I'm outdoors. And, you know, I call it YOLOing. If you're not living your life like it's your last day, then, like, what are you doing with your life? What are you doing with yourself? Alright guys, so that was my vlog. I hope that you enjoyed following me and my little brother along for our very first nature hike together and for my very first time here at the Little Grand Canyon. So hopefully this will inspire you to get outdoors and see what the world has to offer and see all of nature's beautiful things. I hope that you enjoyed this following me around, and if you guys want more vlogs, please let me know. This is actually really fun. It's super windy up here. So that is everything, guys. Remember to always spread good vibes and always be kind to others. The world needs more of it. I hope that you guys have an awesome day.